Shiba. Genie. Okay, here, give it another try. See the resemblance. Let's see, what is he eating? Drinking. I see, you gulped that up. Oh, wow.
Make sure you don't erase anything on there.
I won't. Bunch of paperwork. The dog, oh god. Woo! I'm lucky. Time to go say hi to my grandparents.
Tonight, decision day.
Say hello to the camera.
In today's Florida primary,
This is my grandma. Say hi.
Hi. Show home foreclosures are soaring.
And this is my grandpa.
We start a new series on the money problems of everyday Americans. Economic scene.
And the dog, which follows me everywhere.
Blues. Scientists try to explain.
You will see her more later on.
Might not be your spouse or your job, but simply a matter of
This is Genie, who tortures me. Show yourself. Don't mind him. Oh, and there's the dog again. Come on, Fatty. Come here, Shiba. And here she comes, waddling over. Fattening, fattening, fattening. Well, I like to watch Naruto. If you have a problem with that, oh well. There's Akamaru. That's my brother. And we come back to him.